Imagine a hospital run entirely by AI, surgeries, drones, and care, all flawless, all automatic. In 2300, hospitals run autonomously. AI systems power up every corner of the facility. Humanoid eye doctors analyze patient data instantly and coordinate movements with perfect precision. Medical drones patrol corridors, delivering medicines and monitoring vital signs with speed and accuracy. Patients consult AI specialists through holograms, giving doctors instant access to complete medical histories. AI scanners evaluate and diagnose conditions in real time, detecting issues far beyond human capability. Robotic surgical arms perform complex operations flawlessly, ensuring optimal outcomes every time. Medicines are prepared and dispensed automatically, customized precisely for each patient. Rehabilitation programs adapt in real time, providing personalized therapy for faster recovery. Citywide emergencies are managed instantly as AI coordinates drones and autonomous ambulances. Futuristic labs use AI to develop breakthroughs, advancing medical science and patient care. At night, AI systems monitor patients continuously, maintaining care without pause. From surgeries to citywide management, AI orchestrates hospitals and healthcare, defining medicine's future.